Hello and welcome again on Stocks Advisor. In today's episode, we will talk about TTCF traded at Nasdaq, ticker name TTCF. Well, TTCF was analyzed many times at our channel, and it's really nice to know that it worked exactly as analyzed, as predicted. And today we are again going to do it because we can see here the price section is actually negative for today. And according to Yahoo Finance, you can see that we finished at 21.38, being after hours slightly positive, but this is just within the volatility ranges. And for a company with 1.5 billion market capitalization, these are actually significant volatility ranges, and looks like we're going again for major correction. And since we know that for the TTCF, we could go for correction all the way until moving average 200 to reconfirm the price action, this opens very interesting buy opportunities here. It's not really that it's advised immediate buy. It's more like to place this stock in your nearest watch list and be prepared to enter at the levels we will discuss today. So quite interesting stock, and let's do a quick analysis here. As always, we have three moving averages depicted, and these are moving averages 20, 50, and 200. This three colorful line being green, blue, and red. Here on the left, you see their legends. And what do we see? We can clearly see that it was kind of a formation of the flagging possibly channel by December here, but then the price started really to decline, so we couldn't hold it. Here you could see, so if you would look more carefully, you can see from the previous decline and previous rebounds from December from moving average 200 that was observed, the price really went nicely up from the level of 1450 all the way to actually 26 plus. So really good profit. And then we saw kind of here reconfirmation or trying to form something semi-flag, semi-triangle, which still worked positively temporarily and caused the price to go again high, also when moving average 20 reached the price action. But then, because also we had previously very strong resist levels, the price didn't hold, and what we see now is actually after some volatility, we see another major correction taking place. And with this, actually, it's quite interesting because we have a clear levels to trade with. At least we can see that moving average 200 here works as a very good support line, and this kind of, not really the trend line, but kind of, let's say, semi-trend line T1 could be also a very good indication once you can, where you can enter really and make the profit here. So how to trade here? It would be advised to wait a little bit because we still need to reach some levels of supports. And first of all is, of course, the level of around here, which is just above 1950. So this would be somewhere around, let's say, 1970. So this level would be very interesting level to enter first. So below this one and all the way till moving average 200 would be the first opportunity to enter. And once this is taking place, it's immediate buy within this level. Let's call it S1, this line. And if you would write here, what is this level in numbers? So this would be entry opportunity at starting from 1879 SMA 200, and actually all the way to 1975, 76 even. So that's the first level to enter, and from there we could immediately rebound because we saw a similar situation in December, and looks like this price is this ticker is going really with huge volatilities. You can see these waves are taking a long time, like several months. Similar we saw from June to September, first wave, up and downs, and then now we are forming another one. So this could be another opportunity to enter. Also, what is important to note here, we see formation of slightly downwards channel here. So for longer term, for those who are interested, let's say middle long term trading, once the lines T1 and this one, let's call it R1, will be in the vicinity of each other, once they will be forming a triangle, actually going to vicinity of each other, this would be very interesting opportunity because there could be a major action move for the price, and it could be depending on the news. Of course, we will later see it as well, but most probably some positive outcome should be there. Before that, what we could observe for daily traders, it's a volatility waves between R1 and T1, and now we will discuss how to get the first wave, but later you can just re-enter following the same strategy here. So what can we do? First of all, as I said, we wait for first entry opportunity below S1. Should the price decline further, then we're entering very safe area because we will be below moving average 200 here. And with this being said, you just wait for next levels, which would be then, so it would be the level of 16 and the level of 17. So this would be between 16 and 17, another very nice opportunity to enter. Let's call it S2, S3, because then we will be below if we go there, again, not given, but if price really declines, because still historically it could go to the channel between that was traded, let's say, in June, July, so this one. And if this is taking place, so if we are going back to this box of trade, we need to be prepared, of course, for those low levels to reach. And again, once this is happening, it's just very nice safe buy opportunity because we know the volatility of this stock, it could be very profitable. So speaking of numbers, what it would be, again, to repeat, this is between 16 and 17, second opportunity to enter for this one. And again, should it go down, but then it could be mainly on negative catalyst because it's very hard to expect really going lower than moving average 200 here. So this should be really some bad news. But it's still okay, we can anticipate this price action. And then there is extremely strong previous support level between 13 and actually all the way to just below 14. Here it would be around, let's say, 13, 60, 65. So to write it here, this would be 13 to 1365. Let's make it another color. So with this being said, these are the levels, and again, it's not we say that it will go there, it's just based on our so-called mixed analysis. We try to anticipate all possible negative outcomes, as the idea of this mixed analysis that we provide at this channel, our opinions on the stocks, is that we follow the traditional technical analysis, then we follow a non-linear averaging down, and non-linear averaging down means that you actually average down with more and more, but it's not just increasing numbers, but increasing with an idea that you follow a certain pivot point being below the moving, let's say, your average price of your entire portfolio. In one of the videos later we will discuss more about this. And then the third pillar is actually anticipating possible negative catalyst, because negative catalyst is a news, and news you cannot really predict. They can come, but once they come, you just need to go for the strongest support level, historically seen at least up to half year ago. You can track it either by news or by volumes. So with this being said, actually all these three parameters taken into account will allow you to be very safe and mitigate your risks. And once you mitigate your risks, what is left, of course, is a profit. And that's the idea of trading we provide at our channel. So with this being said, these are the levels to trade here. Speaking of profit taking, again, we always at our channel advise from 10 to 15%. So 10 to slowly moving charts, 15 to fastly moving charts. And then you either re-enter or you can check other videos. There are many videos daily we post, so you can always find something interesting. This is very important. Don't be too greedy. Don't wait too long in the stocks, because this is usually the reason why beginning traders fail in the first year of experience, because they wait, they hope for a casino style, they bid randomly on different positions without understanding what's actually going on. So we hope with this opinion analysis, it will be easier for you to navigate in the ocean of the stocks. And then with this being said, this is the numerical representation. If you are more for, let's say, graphical one, you can just look at here and you can make a print screen of this moment of the video and use it as a trading card. Speaking of the entries, again, it's a classical 1 to 2 non-linear average down. What does it mean? That the funds you would like to play here, you can split in 5 portions. then actually you can, in first circle you enter with 1 portion should the price decline further. In the second circle you enter with 2 portions, and again, if some negative catalyst really kicks in, then you just average down again with 2 portions. This will make it 5-portion play. Why is it important that we give these different portions? Because the price could decline based on negative catalyst. As I said, this is the third pillar of our mixed analysis approach. And if this is happening, you need to be prepared. You need to make sure that your overall average price, your average portfolio price, is very close to the current price. And once you have any rebounds, you will be in time and capable to make the 10 to 15 target profit that we usually optimize for at this channel in our opinion videos. So with this being said, that's the situation for Tattoo Chief, and that's how to trade with this one. So good luck with it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're first time watching this video. There are many videos as well at our channel. You can find even those that are late up, let's say up to 5 weeks ago posted. They are still fresh, because in many of those the situation discussed there could be just about to happen, especially if we are speaking about the third level of support. You could be right in time to enter and make your profit. So please check those as well. Good luck with this, and also let's stay connected. You can find us on different social medias, for example Facebook, Instagram. Also you can check our free mobile application named Stocks Advisor. You can see in the description to this video a link for it. So good luck with those, check those, let's stay connected, and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor channel.